If you drink turmeric with carrot every day, this is what will happen to your body. First, you'll have the most beautiful skin. The high beta-carotene content in carrots combined with the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric will help regenerate your skin, eliminate hyperpigmentation, and reduce any inflammatory processes like redness or even acne marks. Today, I'll show you how to make this drink in under a minute. Remove the skin of one carrot and cut it into pieces. We'll also use a piece of turmeric about the size shown in the demonstration. Add the juice of one lime or lemon to enhance the flavor of this recipe. Place the ingredients in a blender along with a glass of water and a pinch of black pepper to boost the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric by up to 20 times. Blend for a few minutes and then strain the mixture. You'll get the perfect blend, high in beta-carotene, which your body will convert into retinol, instantly boosting collagen production in your body with incredible results. But this drink will also help reduce overall body inflammation, improve your vision, and strengthen your immune system from day one. How to take it? Simply drink a glass of this mixture on an empty stomach. Do this for 14 days and you'll notice your skin looking better than ever. If you like this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.